Can be easily repaired if too much acrylic was removed during the trimming process. If this repair is to be made on a finished acrylic surface, it must be roughened with a taper burr before acrylic is applied. For appliances that have been worn by patients, the appliance should be disinfected before repair work is started. Place the appliance onto the original model to check fit. Acrylic should seat against model. Apply liquid separator to model around repair area. Spread with brush. Fully seat the appliance on model and apply wax to clasps and labial wire on facial area to hold in place. Mix polymer powder to monomer liquid, creating a maple syrup-like resin mix. Apply the mixed resin to the appliance and model along defect area using a spatula. Using a small resin mix cup, dispense liquid monomer into cup. Dip spoon side of spatula into monomer and spread applied resin along defect area. Monomer in cup provides easier control when spreading resin with spatula. Re-dip spatula as needed. Repair area has been overfilled with new resin. Once cured, acrylic will be trimmed to proper form. Place in humid pressure pot for 15 minutes to cure applied resin. Once cured, loosen wires held with wax and lift acrylic plate from model. Trim and finish acrylic using previously discussed procedures. Usually, added acrylic along tissue may need to be blended to original plastic. Blend in lightly with handpiece burrs, then lightly pumice and polish these areas as well. If a bubble or void is present or acrylic does not fit snugly to the model in a specific area, additional acrylic may be added. Using a carbide taper burr and lab handpiece, open bubbles or voids and roughen plastic around add-on area. Place appliance on model and make sure wires do not interfere with acrylic fit. Adjust as needed. Apply liquid separator to model where new acrylic will be applied. Spread with a brush. Mix polymer powder to monomer liquid, creating a thick maple syrup-like resin mix. Apply mixed resin to the appliance along defect area using a spatula. Completely seat appliance to model. Appliance may be held tightly to model with rubber bands or a small C-clamp. Place in a humid pressure pot for 15 minutes to cure applied resin. Once cured, lift acrylic plate from model. Usually, added acrylic along tissue may need to be blended into original plastic. Blend in lightly with a handpiece and burrs, and lightly pumice and polish these areas as well.